Morning students. So our today's chapter is chapter number 5th, sound of vowel U. In this chapter we are going to study about those words which are containing vowel sound U. Say aloud the sound word of vowel U as in. First picture is of H-U-T hut, N-U-T nut, P-U-P pup, S-U-N sun, J-U-G jug, G-U-N gun, C-U-P cup, B-U-S bus, C-U-B cub. Cub is a baby of lion. Let us revise once again. Hut, nut, pup, sun, jug, gun, cup, bus, cub. Let's read some more words with phonic sound U. This first series is of words containing with ending UT. C-U-T cut, N-U-T nut, B-U-T butt, H-U-T hut, G-U-T gut, S-H-U-T shut. Next row is containing words which are ending with N, U-N. Gun, sun, run, fun, bun, none. Once again, gun, sun, run, fun, bun, none. Words of next row are ending with UP. So how we will pronounce all these words? Let us see. Cup, C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. S-U-P, sup. Y-U-P, yup. U-P, up. B-U-R-P, burp. Once again. Cup, pup, sup, yup, up, burp. Tub, cub, pup, hub, rub, bulb. Last row, tug, mug, rug, lug, jug, hug. Once again, tug, mug, rug, lug, jug, hug. Now activity is given over here. In first question, what we have to do? Fill in the blanks with U. So pictures are given here. We have to identify the pictures and we have to fill U in the blank to complete the spelling of given pictures. First word is sun, S-U-N sun. Next picture is of gun, G-U-N gun. Third picture is of bulb, B-U-L-B bulb. Now question number 2. Look at the pictures and circle the correct word in each set. So look at the first row. How many words are given? Let us pronounce. हमें करना क्या है इस पूरे क्वेश्चन पे? There are 4 rows. यहाँ पर rows दी गई हैं. Words की rows are given है ना. Rows देखिए दी गई ना. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. 4 rows of words are given and then 4 pictures are given. हमें करेक्ट पिक्चर के लिए करेक्ट नेम को एनसर्किल करना है. Look at the series of words in first row. For first picture we are finding correct name: pup, tug, nut, butt, gun. ये क्या है? What is this? This is nut. So we have to encircle nut. Look at the second row. Cup, sun, cut, cub, mug. And this is a picture of mug here. So we have to encircle mug. Third row. Tub, run, rug, bull, sup. This is a picture of bull. So we have to encircle bull in this row. Look at the last row. Duck, nun, yup, bulb, hug. and this is a picture of duck. We all know this, so we have to encircle duck here. So this was your activity. Hope you all have understood. सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये पूरे वर्ड्स याद करने हैं, प्रोनाउंस करने हैं, प्रॉपरली अलाउड वे पे उसे रीड आउट करना है, so that you can able to learn the pronunciation of all these words containing phonetic sound of U.